In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase additional Google storage online. Whether you're looking to buy more storage for your Google Drive, Gmail, or Google Photos, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Let's get started by ensuring you know how to access the storage purchase page via Google. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type "How to purchase Google storage online" or "Buy Google One storage." This will lead you to the relevant pages where you can explore the options for additional storage. Google provides a variety of plans, so you have plenty of choices depending on your needs, whether it's 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or even more for family sharing. Once you've conducted your search, click on the link that takes you directly to the Google One homepage. Here, you'll see an assortment of plans with different storage capacities alongside their respective prices. Take a moment to compare the options. It's important to consider not only your current needs, but also potential future growth. Opting for a plan that offers a little extra space could save you from having to upgrade again soon. After deciding on a plan that suits you best, click on the Subscribe or Upgrade button next to your preferred option. You will be prompted to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account to which you want the storage allocated. This step is crucial because Google One storage is account-specific. Following this, you'll proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll need to review your selected plan and confirm the billing information. Google usually accepts various payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. Enter your details carefully, ensuring each field is filled correctly to avoid any errors during the transaction process. Once you're satisfied with the entered information, you can click on Purchase or Subscribe to finalize the transaction. After processing your payment, you will receive an email confirmation from Google detailing the plan you selected and any relevant payment information. Double-check this email to ensure everything is correct and keep it for your records. For peace of mind, you can verify your new storage allocation by navigating back to your Google account. Under the Google One section, you should see your upgraded storage plan reflected accurately. It might take a few moments for these changes to appear, so don't be alarmed if it's not immediate. There you have it. With your new Google storage plan active, you can continue to save and share documents, photos, and other important files without the worry of running out of space. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process simple and straightforward. Thank you for joining me, and enjoy your expanded Google storage.